Hey there, so what's up everyone? Hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new Apple bug that they're having with the FaceTime. So there's been an issue reported just recently about a bug in the FaceTime feature for iPhone users. Okay, so supposedly what happened was on January 19th, a 14-year-old freshman named Grant Thompson, he was playing Fortnite with his friends, and while he was playing Fortnite, he decided to FaceTime. So while he made that FaceTime call, he was also trying to group call, and that's when he noticed the bug. He was able to listen in onto his friend's iPhone without them knowing, without them answering the FaceTime call. And then later on, after playing around with it some more, he found out that he was even able to access his friend's camera as well. So the next day, January 20th, Grant and his mom decided to write Apple and let them know about this bug so that they can come up with a solution for it. So according to news, it actually says that it took Apple 9 days to respond to their tweet and to actually get on to finding the solution for the problem. Although, who knows, maybe Apple already knew about the problem and they were working on it. I don't know. So after 9 days, Apple did respond, and they said something about making January 28th the National Crime Stopping Day or something like that. So Grant and his mom are trying to receive some kind of credit from Apple, since Apple does offer a $200,000 reward for their bug bounty program for anyone who finds bugs in their softwares. So anyways, that being said, what do you need to do, or what should you do until this bug is fixed? It's really simple. All you have to do is in your phone, go down to settings, go to FaceTime, and just turn FaceTime off in the meanwhile until further notice that the bug is fixed, just to make sure nobody is listening in on you or spying on you with your own iPhone camera. Although the good news is Apple is stating that they will be releasing a software update later on this week, which will fix that bug. Okay, so that being said, my opinion on the matter is that Apple does need to be more careful on the production of their software. They need to be on top of this, and they should be making sure that their software doesn't have these type of bugs, because these are bugs that are dangerous to our privacy. And there's millions and millions of iPhone users worldwide that are at risk with these bugs. Alright everyone, so that's pretty much it for the information here about Apple's bug. Like I said, just turn off your FaceTime in the meanwhile until the bug is fixed, just to be safe, which should be later on this week. Alright, so that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.